Well, my old hound dog here, she's probably about 13 years old. Treed. Big old tree. I actually saw what it was on the way up here. Now, I had in my mind I was going to shoot it out for her because she doesn't tree that much anymore, and she's getting old. I thought I'd jump it out for her one more time, but I'm thinking I won't. Let me show you what's in this tree. All right, there it is. It's in that hole back there. I'm just gonna let it be. Possum. And there she is again. Like I say, old hound dog. Tree and walker right there. I know she's at least 13 years old.